Fibroids and cysts are uncontrollable proliferation of cells, called cell hyperplasia, that form tumors at different points on the body. Usually occurs in the reproductive organs such as the uterus, ovaries, mammary glands in women, and the prostate in men. Fibroids are usually hard, dense masses that are difficult to treat or dissolve. Cysts are usually sacs of fluid, so they are easy to pass, but they are also prone to rapid and uncontrolled growth. Fibroids, cysts in the early stages are often difficult to detect because the symptoms of the disease are often unclear. Therefore, if the patient does not have regular health checks, it is difficult to detect the disease. When the tumor grows to a certain size, it will cause symptoms for the patient, such as menorrhagia lasts, menstrual irregularities, discomfort, pain, dull pain in the lower abdomen, pelvic pain, frequent urination, painful urination, and difficulty urinating. Pain during sex, pale skin, tired people. There are 3 main causes of uterine fibroids and ovarian cysts. The first cause is a hormonal disorder due to an imbalance of hormones in the body. Too much or too little estrogen can cause endocrine disorders. The second reason is that the body accumulates toxins through the process of eating, such as using a lot of unsanitary foods or due to stress, environmental pollution. Gynecological infections, and over time accumulate to form a tumor. And another reason is genetic inheritance, which means that when someone in the family has fibroids or cysts, there are cells in the body that have the ability to proliferate. So the possibility of cancer, cystic fibrosis, will also increase many times. When the tumor grows larger, it causes pressure on internal organs, such as the bladder, compression, making patients want to urinate often, pressing on the colon, causing digestive disorders and constipation. Along with that is the condition of menorrhagia and anemia, leading to paleness, body fatigue, pain during sex, which greatly affects the patient's life. In some cases, the tumor is located in the muscle tissue, suddenly necrosis, causing the uterine wall to burst, causing bleeding and infection, which is very dangerous. For women who are planning to give birth without timely, proper treatment of fibrosis and cyst, it is very easy to lead to infertility because the possibility of conception is very low. Not to mention, large tumor inserted into the gestational sac causes the fetal wall to stop growing. In particular, the most dangerous thing is that any patient with a tumor is at risk of becoming cancerous, especially when malignant tumors develop in benign tumors which are difficult to detect. Then it was too late. Currently, there are treatments for uterine fibroids and ovarian cysts as follows. 1 is Western medical treatment. Surgical methods. Surgery to remove the tumor. This method is the effect of the fast tumor resolution at the time. But this is only a physical method to dissect the tumor, remove the largest tumor, but not solve the root cause of the disease. The second is a conservative treatment method which drugs or functional foods derived from common herbs to inhibit tumor growth. This method only works to stop the tumor from growing, but it is not able to completely destroy the existing fibroid tumor or cyst. And the third is the method of using herbs with outstanding effects in the treatment of tumors, combined with the world's leading pharmaceutical technology to destroy tumors from the root. However, in order to destroy fibroids and cysts to achieve the best effect High-class and rare herbs must be used, but ordinary herbs cannot be solved. This is also the method that is highly appreciated by leading experts in the world and brings the most outstanding tumor removal efficiency today. Because whether it is surgical or conservative treatment, it only solves the existing tumor. That is the top of the problem. It is completely unable to completely solve the root of the cause of the disease. It cannot bring absolute results for the patient. As for the method of destroying tumors from the root, it will focus on tumor resorption and solving the cause of the tumor, to not only destroy the existing tumor, but also prevent the tumor from regrowing. This is also the method that has been widely used, recommended to be applied in many large hospitals worldwide. And for this advanced herbal remedy, currently in the world, there is only one product that is highly appreciated by experts in the industry, as well as being applied treatment of patients with fibroids and cysts worldwide, and has brought outstanding treatment results to thousands of patients in many different countries. Shioka is the #1 anti-tumor method, the first and only effervescent tablet today, with the main ingredient of Natling ginseng, which is prepared by Japan's #1 superactivated target. Directed nanotechnology with 3 effects, and one helps inhibit the growth of tumors, cut off the source of the tumor, eliminate tumor fibroids, ovarian cysts, and balance hormones. Stabilize blood and gas, thereby preventing recurrence origin. Therefore, Shioka herbal effervescent tablets had the outstanding of quality and strong negative effect on patients with uterine fibroids and ovarian cysts. The reason Shioka effervescent tablets have such a strong tumor effect is because it has the main ingredients of Vietnamese ginseng, Natling. In the world, there are many types of ginseng, such as American ginseng, Korean ginseng, but to talk about the most precious ginseng in the world today, Natling ginseng is grown on the top of Natling Mountain in Vietnam, because the content of saponin in Natling ginseng is 200 times higher than that of any other ginseng. Therefore, Natling ginseng has outstanding effects in the treatment of tumors, such as cystic fibrosis and especially cancer prevention. We Americans have used ginseng to treat tumors and prevent cancer for a long time. The effect of the ingredient saponin, MR2, in Natling ginseng has a strong effect, inhibiting the growth, cutting off the source of nourishment, and destroying the tumor cells, preventing cancer. So far, Natling ginseng is the only precious herb capable of solving the root cause of fibroids and cysts. In addition to the successful application of Japanese activated target directed nanoeffervescence technology to the saponin active ingredient in Natling ginseng, and preparation on the leading Japanese technology line helps the active ingredients in Natling ginseng broken down into microscopic molecules in the form of nanometers, increasing the speed action by 400 times to conventional tablets, directed to the target where the tumor cells are active to penetrate deeply and directly, affecting the intestinal wall, creating maximum efficiency and cutting off the source of the tumor, feeding and destroying tumor cells from the root. Therefore, only a very small amount of precious herbs bring about very high efficiency, from which patients can access the product at a very reasonable cost. And Japan is also one of the countries with the world's leading modern medicine, the country with the lowest number of cancer patients in the world. Therefore, the application of Japan's technology, combined with the world's most precious ginseng herb, Shioka, is considered a leading medical achievement and is widely used widely in many countries and many countries. In addition to nut ling, ginseng, shioka also contains other rare precious herbal ingredients, such as Crinomium lapidum, royal flag, Bach quad snake plant, Tom ventricular, etc., which have the effect of regulating the body and balancing hormones at anti-recurrence. In particular, Shioka herbal effervescent tablets are extremely safe and benign for patients, even elderly, or people with underlying medical conditions, which are completely safe without causing any side effects. Patients can completely use it to support long-term treatment of both effective tumor removal and hormonal balance and prevention of tumor regrowth. Shioka herbal effervescence tablets are suitable for all conditions of patients with uterine fibroids, ovarian cysts. Anyone can use. People with uterine fibroids, ovarian cysts, prostate tumors. With symptoms such as abdominal pain, heavy menstrual bleeding, etc. In these cases, use effervescent tablets. Shioka herbal medicine feels first that the symptoms of the disease are reduced quickly. The body is healthy day by day, and the mind is at ease without affecting the stomach, blood pressure, or the tumor size decreases. Gradually, use up and will feel the long-term effect even when not using the product anymore. In addition to the above method, I recommend that patients with uterine fibroids, ovarian cysts, as well as women, should always adjust our scientific diet and more green vegetables and fruit to provide the necessary vitamins for the body. Besides, regularly exercise, drink plenty of water every day, and have a healthy lifestyle to promote health and prevent diseases.